Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make Jowar Roti. Alright, so we are going to learn how to make Jowar Roti from my dearest aunt. Yes,
My son.
this is the millet flour and we are going to start the process of making. So first step is we need to put one handful flour onto the floor. Okay, then just put the water and then mix it with your hand. That's a perfect mixture how you make it with the hand. And you're pouring some more water to make it nice dough. More water to the dough so that it's a nice dough for the tortilla or the roti. Wow, I just can't wait to make it with my hands, the next one. Look at it, it's going to be so much of labor work to make one roti, because as always I said, no farmer, no food, no food. Look at it, that's how perfect you need to make it, and you make a round shape out of it and you add some more so that you make the proper round of it. Look at that, what a beautiful roti. And you have to pat it with your hand and make it a round roti. And then once you make it, you have to lift it with your hand and put it on the pan. And then you need to add some more water on it so that it's nicely cooked. Then and turn it off. Look at it, it hasn't burned, and this is how perfect you need to make it. Look at it, and we are flipping the other side. So next I'm going to try it. Wait and watch for the video. Lovely. I just can't wait to have one and make one. This is how the millet roti looks, and the millet is jowar. Wow. Have you seen an ad in your childhood? The chapati roti becomes like this. It's the similar one, but this is the jowar roti. Nice and perfect, ready to eat. Now let's go ahead and let me try it with my own hands. Perfect. So I am trying to make with my own hands 1 and 2. So I took 3 handful of the the flour, and then I'm pouring some water. Oh, it's going out of hand. Making of this roti is, I think, mixing of water, because that's how we make a roti. I think it's difficult for chapati as well. I think I'm learning the process. Okay. Okay, I'm putting it down. And now? Okay. Okay. Let me try. It's breaking off. That's how you put up the crack. Okay. Now I'm taking it on my hand. Oh God, look how difficult it is to cook as well. Okay, now I lasted very badly on the first time, but it's okay. I will try it. But thank you so much for teaching me.